In this video, I'll detail how to fix AirPods Pro pop not showing on iPhone. So if you're trying to connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone and you discover that the AirPods pops is not coming up on your iPhone such that you can easily connect the AirPods and your iPhone together, then this video is going to walk you through how to fix this step by step. Literally, in some cases, when you find it out that your AirPods Pro pop is not showing up when you're trying to connect your AirPods Pro and your iPhone together using Bluetooth, then it is either your AirPods Pro is connected to another device or you need to perform some basic functions on your AirPods Pro before it can be connected or before it's going to show pop up on your iPhone. So if you don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when your AirPods Pro pop-up is not showing on iPhone is make sure your AirPods Pro is fully charged. So I always admonish this when you are trying to fix any problem affecting your AirPods Pro, so that while doing this, the AirPod or the charging case will not die in the process. So make sure the AirPod is fully charged. Once charged, open the lid, go ahead, turn to the back, and then locate the reset button. Press the reset button for a couple of seconds. So while pressing it, you're going to hear a beep, and then there's going to be a transition from the blue light to cyan or cyan light. So you're going to see cyan light right here. You see that? Kind of cyan light blinking. And then once the AirPods Pro is fully reset, then you should see the cyan light change to blue. You see that? So once this is done, go ahead and close the lid. Then drop this. Go to your iPhone settings. Now on the iPhone settings, all you just need to do is simple. Go to settings, locate Bluetooth, then locate the name of your AirPods Pro. If you are previously connected to this AirPods Pro on your iPhone, just locate the name. You can see I have i.4a AirPods. Click on this information icon, then tap forget this device. Then from the pop, click on forget device. Then tap forget device. Then once that is done, this is going to remove your AirPods completely from your iPhone. Now you need to connect the AirPods with your iPhone once again. How do you do this? Just go to your AirPods and then bring both the AirPod and iPhone together. Go ahead and open the AirPod lid. Then instantly going to see a pop that says this is not your AirPods Pro. Then to connect your AirPods Pro with your iPhone, just click on the connect button. Then instantly you'll be prompted to turn to the back of the AirPods. Then press and hold the pairing button or the reset button. Once you hear the beep, let it go. Then this is going to try to connect to your AirPod, and this is going to show the pop up when you are trying to connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone. Then go ahead and click on continue and follow the on-screen instruction to connect your AirPods and iPhone together. So this is how to basically fix AirPods Pro pop up not showing on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.